Hey everyone, check out the MaxxGeek Multi-Angle Aluminum Ruler Plus, an upgraded 8-2/5 inch Carpenter square perfect for precise woodworking. Made from high-quality 3D aluminum alloy with CNC and anodic oxidation, it resists rust and fading for long-lasting use. The laser-etched markings provide accuracy up to 1/16 inch, ensuring your measurements and markings are always reliable. With a secure positioning pin and flexible multi-angle functionality, this ruler adapts to various measuring needs easily. It also includes a convenient storage bag and a Carpenter pencil with refill lead, making your toolkit complete. The clear markings and simple 3-in-1 design improve efficiency for DIYers, carpenters, and construction pros alike. Upgrade your measuring game with this practical and durable tool today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.